Okay, we got this character done. You can see. The hands are wood, made out of wood. Feet are carved out of wood. But he's finished. Mouth works good. It's got hair all around. The outfit is handmade. Eyes are glass. They do not move. Then in the back, it's cut out so your hand can go inside. There's a rubber band hooked on the bottom to help hold the head on for you. It's a string lever. You can use your finger or your thumb. And you can use right or left hand, it doesn't matter. So he is finished. So if you're interested, contact me on my Facebook page. The back's cut out so you can put your hand in there. Rubber band on the bottom. So, thanks for watching.